Alright, here's how you can change your quality on Netflix. So from within the app, you want to press on your profile icon here in the top right corner, and then you want to select app settings. From here, what you can change is the download video quality. If you select this option, you have to make it or leave it at high, like so. Now that's one thing you can do. The other thing which determines your video streaming quality is the current plan which you have on Netflix. So there are actually 4 or 3 different plans. As you can see right here, the basic plan for $10, it lets you stream videos at 720p. The standard plan, which is $16, lets you stream videos at 1080p, and then the premium plan, which is the highest plan, HD and 4K Ultra HD. So that is how you can change your quality, either doing that from within the app and getting the maximum quality that your plan allows you to get, or just upgrading your plan. Okay, thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub if this helped you out, or if you learned something. I'll see you next time.